I know he's evil. He's evil. He's my dark urge. That is my temptation. That's my urge. That's the thing that keeps pushing me to do what I do. He's not evil. He's not evil. He's actually not evil. I said that's only to a certain extent. Anger, wrath. Yes, I have resort to those things now. I love being